So this is Emboss Engrave. The actual activity is called wristband. That's what you're opening up. The first thing we have to do is add text to this sketch. So I just double click on the sketch. Okay. Notice what it did though. Did you see that? It kind of turned it. And I'm upside down on there. So what I want to do is rotate this around so I'm doing this right. That's easy enough. Now you know how to use the text tool. So I'm just going to drag out. I want my text to be in that area. And this is up, you can just put your, you can change the size of it. Okay, I can change that to 0.25. You could even change the type of font that you're using. However, I'm going to have you leave the default for now to make it work. Then you can go back and change it later. And I'm going to show you why. I'll do that when I'm done. I'm going to click OK. So, what just happened? Still upside down, but I rotated it right. Okay? It doesn't matter. Here's what's going on, and this is what I want to show you. It's drawing it, but doesn't matter because the wristband can be turned, right? Okay, so it really doesn't matter, but I wanted to put that point across. Alright, so I'm going to rotate around a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. So I have my text on there, but what I want it to be is onto the wristband. Alright? Logan? No, we're actually going to use Emboss and Engrave. It is a type, but it's not a constraint. Okay, so I'm done with that. I'm finishing my sketch. This is Emboss. We can engrave at the same time, so it's one tool. All right. Here's what you need to know. Does anybody know the difference between Emboss and Engrave? Ben? There you go. So write that down. Emboss raises what you have. Engrave cuts into the material. So emboss is like an extrude join, and engrave is like an extrude cut. It's not the same, but it's similar. Alright, here we go. So I'm gonna do an emboss first. What do I want to emboss? My profile is going to be my text. Okay? Which way is it going though? Up. So I want to switch my direction. Okay? The depth is how tall will that be? 0.1 is going to be kind of tall on this, so I'm going to go 0.05. I'm going to click OK. And what it's going to do, now do you see the text on there? Alright, I'm going to turn this work plane off just because it'll be easier for you to see what I'm doing. See that? But look at the way the text is. It's kind of stretched out, right? I don't like that. So let me go back. I'm going to try something different. Actually, I'm just going to edit what I did. Edit feature. This time, I'm going to say wrap to face. And I choose this face. That's the only change I made. Everything else is the same. I'm going to click OK. Now, see how it's nice and straight all the way around it? Looks better, right? So that's wrap to face. I'm not done. It's kind of hard to see that text, right? Alright, so let me go back. I'm going to edit that one again. What you're changing right here is the color that's going to be. It only does the top part of it. It's like putting a layer of paint on it. I can go over here, and that would look good in gold metallic. Click OK. I'm going to leave this. I could change anything else I want. I'm going to click OK. And now, the top of that, but notice what I said? It only does the top. That's emboss. I'm going to go back. I'm going to edit this one more time. This is going to be engrave. Engrave works the same way, except this time, instead of being raised up, it's going to cut in. I could change my color. I could not wrap it to face. I could do all those things. I'm going to click OK. And this time, it's going to be engraved, and that gold color is going to be down to the bottom. Pretty cool, right? See, that's why I chose gold. You get it? Oh, you guys are slow. All right.